Yes, did you be?
You want to know what's fun about this gun that I forgot?
Sweet shit! Oh my god!
Yep, no, you should fast.
No,
yeah, he wins.
The R-Huff one shoots faster.
Jesus Christ. Alright guys, so this is Operation Kill Nash because he is defected to the other side.
Oh, has he now?
Yep.
Alright, my Thunder Beam will be used on him. Hey Nash, if you're still on channel 11, get off.
We're coming for you.
That was a thorn. I grabbed it.
He's got the power of the Russians, man. Power of the Russians. Oh shit, alright, let's go.
Dalton, you're at point.
On Dalton. Yep. Watch tower, watch tower. Oh shit, where's he moving? Alright, let's go. Okay, right. Watching right side, no eyes.
Hey! Left side clear.
Got two right side. Good hook. Ah, hit. Gotcha.
Want me to?
Let's go. Friendly's in the building right side.
Not sure where the battle lines are. They've been moving up through here.
They took bridge before we actually got even to tower.
Bridge right here?
No, it's just a little bit past it.
I'll try to get up in here.
Got you. I'll watch your right. Oh, damn. What's up? They're at bridge. I don't know where else from there. Looks like these guys are landing into something I can't see though. Alright, I'm gonna move up. Found amp. Got one. Ah, hit! What's up, buddy? Was that your Thunder Bee?
Yeah.
I could tell. You got hit?
What? Yeah.
As if someone's yelling.
I got trapped behind y'all. I couldn't fucking move up to y'all. I didn't die yet though.
You haven't died?
Right.
No.
Well,
Oh
cool.
shit, let's go.
Yeah.
Alright, so they got right side covered pretty well.
What's up?
Let's push up left. You guys moving past the barn there. Let's go, on me. What's up? Well, fuck.
For you. No, we won't.
That's friendly's the tower. Damn. Oh wow, we got fucked. Shawnee boy's down. Heads up tower, enemy in tower. Alright, I'm gonna start landing into him. Duck, Sean! No, don't you die, bitch! No! Yeah. God damn, that guy's still in the tower. I don't know, dude. You got a secondary I could use?
No.
Shit.
It's in my bag.
Yo, Amp, what's your location?
Yeah, where did Amp go?
God damn. Amp was over the left side with 6 guys. He didn't actually say if they were enemy or friendly, but at this point I don't want to ask. Wait, that's friendly in tower. Fuck yeah.
Hey, we need to try to move up the tower.
Alright, let's make a push center and see if we can take tower.
Hey, we need to stay to the right, bro.
Whew. They have bridge held so well though.
On the right side. No idea. I just know that they're all in the bridge still, aren't they?
What's up?
Are they? My gun broke. The motor like spins when you press the trigger, but doesn't
Oh
shoot.
shit.
What does that mean? Do you know?
Tighten the screw right here when we get back.
All right.
Wait, is it the ZB or your rifle?
It's my rifle.
Oh fuck, okay.
Are they in the bottom of the tower?
I don't know, dude. We can't see anything from here.
I'll be honest, I don't know where to go.
Neither do I, dude. I'm on my last life right now.
I don't know who's right. Yeah, I know. Hey, do we know who's right, bro?
We have friendlies right, pushing towards bridge, but they're just sitting in creek bed.
Are most of them still on the bridge? Or is it like...
I have no idea. I have no idea where the hell they are. No idea where our friendlies are. We could be the last ones in our team for all I know. Pushing up center, pushing up center. About the wooden spool on the right side, past the clearing. God, my gun is slowly dying. What's up? What's up?
We need me to bring you a battery.
Yes, that'd be amazing.
Please.
Hit, nice.
You want to try to go through here? Through the brush? Yeah.
Let's do it. If they're up in tower, that's gonna suck though. I consider and cover y'all if you want to, and watch top.
No, there.
I got some guys base at tower, nobody moving up yet. They're gonna be pushing right side in the reeds. Whoa, heads up. What's up?
Left side.
Copy. It's not really gonna be a spray, it's gonna be a slow putter, but I got you. Ah, come on, do this to me now. Live, damn it. Fuck your shit.
Where's he at? The guy in the open, just like right out there. Try this 8.4, and if that doesn't work, I have a 9.6 in my backpack.
Sweet, thank you, dude. I was giving them covering fire because they're pushing up to tower. And there's some guys up in tower. We don't know if they're actually still up there. That'll do it. All right.
See this guy right here. Is that better?
Yeah, yeah. Pump house. I hope I'm not running out of fucking ammo. Shit.
Ammo here too.
Damn, dude, you're fucking prepared for everything. God, that gun.
Where are they? Were they over here?
Got you! This shit's just turning into a noisemaker, man.
I already got 2 kills with this, dude. Right down there in the path, I got 2 kills.
Nice, dude. I see Amp and his fucking neon green sword.
Right there. Should we start pushing up or we just stay here?
I don't have the fucking ammo to push up, dude.
You got ammo already?
Yeah. Alright.
Oh, you fucking cunt. Hey, if you guys come from Creek?
No, I came. I got hit up there in the line. Is there any entry?
Yeah, our teammates down there.
Right there. Past the caution cone. There's a guy picking his head up right there.
Yes, he does. Yeah, I see enemies way over there. Yeah, I hit the tree.
Alright, I'm gonna push up past tables. We're gonna keep landing into them.
Huh? You're gonna push up that way?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I'll probably move up probably on the right.
Gotcha.
I'll stay crawl, low profile, you know?
Alright. Well, I'll go loud as fucking take them off you a little bit.
You got it.
Alright, moving. Pump house, pump house. That was a hit, son. Bring it back. Hit! Good hit! It's a good day when you get to use your LMG as an LMG. Holy shit. God, this isn't feeding. You just throwing paintballs at the ref.
Yeah. Is that seriously what you're doing? Oh, yeah, okay. You think?